Come up, please. And I'm sorry, defense, the deputies have requested that defense
This side?
side, yes.
Judge, I just got used to that other. side.
I know, but you know, for security reasons,
Okay.
whatever the deputies say with security, I am for.
Me too.
You know, I'm a firm believer of everybody staying in their lane.
Oh.
Pat Hancock,
Judge,
happy birth month.
you know what, Judge, that's
A wrong thing, because it has you listed.
but I will be thinking about it.
All right, it has you listed as 21.
Like that.
Mhm.
I have a file right here.
You're welcome. All right, who's the prosecutor on Rosalinda Contreras?
Me, Judge.
Oh, hi, you're on this side.
okay.
They switched
Uh,
those around.
The deputies have asked that we rearrange it this way.
I showered.
All right, so where are we on discovery?
Oh, Judge, I'm not sure. I believe there's a motion from defense.
Yes, Judge,
There's a motion. What's the motion?
well, it's not a motion, Judge. I just appeared and my client has advised me she's going to be retaining counsel.
All right, who's going to be your attorney?
If you can give me some time, I could look for one. I actually have somebody in mind, but not too sure yet.
All right, I'm going to give you a reset, and when I give you this reset,
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
going to need to come back with that attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
And counsel, you're still on the case until that attorney shows. Can I have a reset form, please?
As far as discovery goes, Judge, it looks like everything is in the file, though.
All right, was this blood or breath?
It was split.
All right, is blood discovery uploaded?
That we probably do need the full blood packet.
Okay.
And for the record, there is a BD recall on the tubes, on blood tubes, so
Okay.
that would be a good idea for the next council. I'll file it if she gets somewhere, if she doesn't get somewhere in the next few days. Of course, thank you.
All right, we're going to recall this for discovery to make sure that you have everything that you're supposed to have. And we're going to put it on January 29th. And if there's a motion that needs to be filed, then it needs to be filed at that time.
Okay.
And if you're going to have an attorney, you need to have an attorney by January 29th. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then. I'll give that to somebody.
Okay, thanks, Ray.
What is that?
Some of the microphones, Judge.
All right. Hello, Ms. Alvarez. Where are we on this case?
Judge, where we're at, I think there's a 4-200 case pending that's unindicted and it's a different attorney. She has 2 state jail felonies that have been indicted. The district attorney's ADA, they don't have the lab results back on the bigger case. And he's looking at maybe making an offer starting from the top, but he can't do that because he doesn't have the lab results.
All right, when are you all expecting lab results?
I'm not sure, Judge. I think, I'm not sure what the turnaround on that is, but if we could get a reset, I will email the intake attorney today and say. hey,
All right, there's nice elevator music, but yeah. All right.
To ask them to, we just don't have the labs yet. I checked on Veripic. We don't have them yet. So if we could get, I know it's maybe like a 30-day reset or a 45-day reset if the court is inclined to do that.
All right. We will recall this back. Who is the other attorney on this case?
John Robertson, Judge.
All right. We're going to do a recall for February 26th. I'm sorry, not the 26th, because that's a trial. We're going to recall it for February 20th.
28.
20th, 20.
Okay. And I have another matter on these cases, Judge,
All right, just one moment.
February 20th.
Can I get a reset form? Oh, thank you. And I'll give your client a reset form just in case she is released.
Cases after these other cases. What's the date on that?
That one was after,
What's the date?
7/4/2025.
And what is your motion, counsel, or your issue?
Judge, I have a motion to set bond on cause number 2023 CR 10964.
All right, so on that one, we will have it sent to Judge Nahara. And Judge Nahara will have to hear it.
Judge, I mean, he's already given his bond recommendation.
Oh, there's other, due to the legislature and the new rules with the legislature, there are other things that have to happen. But we're gonna call down to Judge Nahara to get this done today, okay? So just let her have a seat and we'll call down to Judge Nahara. So it'll be done today.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Or they may give us a setting also, or
There's a reset form, just sign it. Raymond Alejandro. All right, so the last time we were here, a transcript was needed. Do you have a transcript?
We do, yeah.
All right, so then we need to go to a jury trial unless you all are deciding to enter a plea.
No, Your Honor, I think we would need a trial.
All right, so I'm gonna bring you all back on January 16th.
Here, 16. Thank you, Judge.
All right, let me give you a reset form. Is there any outstanding discovery?
Not that I'm aware of, Judge.
No, Your Honor.
And then after I give you the reset form, you are excused.
Thank you, Judge.
And let me see if I have a discovery acknowledgement. Okay, I don't have a discovery acknowledgement. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2022 CR 6642, State of Texas versus Guillermo Camacho.
Which side?
This side. Can our parties announce for the record, please, for the state,
Hank, welcome to the stage.
for the defense?
I'm here, Memorial, Your Honor.
And are you Guillermo Camacho?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Camacho, I'm going to show you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Guillermo Camacho who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 6642 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on May 1st, 2023 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Your Honor, it's Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas. It's violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Guillermo Camacho, the then and mayor, failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of June and July 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
That's true, ma'am.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion and sentence you to 4 years in prison and up to $1,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, Your Honor, there is a state recommendation and a defense recommendation.
All right, state, what are you recommending?
Your Honor, we're recommending a drug court evaluation in custody. And if he's not accepted into the drug court program, then state ISF cognitive tract treatment.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, in this case, Mr. Camacho attempted to contact his probation officer, but wasn't able, and then he ran into some health issues with his mother judge. And as the court is very well aware, these issues snowball, and once they know that there's a warrant, they don't report. Mr. Camacho also has expressed regret in this. He accepts responsibility, Judge. We're asking for intensive outpatient treatment program with a 0 tolerance, Your Honor.
All right, so outpatient treatment is off the table. All right, so we're at the point of, Mr. Camacho, I want you to hear me. We're at the point of whether or not I'm going to revoke you or not. You
Yes, ma'am.
understand? Because I know that I tell everybody if there's an issue with probation, they can always come to the court and address that. The not reporting is an issue. Probation, what are you requesting?
I request the drug court evaluation in custody, and if not, and a tap in custody. And at that point, we can, depending on the results, bring them back to court or state ISF.
All right. And is there something you would like to say?
I know I
Want to
can't.
raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Guillermo Camacho.
All right, what would you like to say?
I would just like to say that I tried calling my probation officer. My mom, till this day, till right now, she's very sick and she's still in Mexico. All I beg for you, I know I can finish this program and
So did you go to Mexico?
No, my mom, but I know I messed up, but I'm here in front of you, ma'am. I know I can finish this if granted. But I don't think I have a problem to go to a program ISF. I don't.
You have a
No,
problem
no.
with not reporting.
The only thing, yes, I understand that, but I'm asking you, I do respect, man. I can finish this and I'm here in front of you. I can do this. And that was the only mistake I made.
No, those were choices you made.
Exactly, and consequences come with the choices I make, and I'm here and I'm being very polite with you.
So this is what I want you to understand. You were placed on probation May 2023. Right? I gave you conditions May 2023. I know that I asked you if there was anything else you needed from the court. If there was, I would have gave it to you.
Yes, ma'am.
And based upon the conditions that I set for you were based upon what you told me, right?
Yeah.
And I know that I told you to do 90 sober meetings in 90 days because there was an issue.
Yes, ma'am.
So what did you do? May, I placed you on probation, right? Then, according to the violation that you just pled true to, you get out of custody in June 2023, no reporting. July 2023, no reporting. So when and where were you arrested? Or did you turn yourself in?
No, they went and picked me up
From where?
from a couple of streets where I live from. I wasn't hiding.
Okay.
I wasn't hiding, man. I'm just like, I know I can do this. And I'm looking at you straight in the eye. Give me a chance, man. Please.
Oh, I am going to give you a chance. I'm not going to revoke you unless you want to be revoked, but I'm going to give you some choices, okay? So are there any questions before I give him his choices?
No go.
All right, here are your choices. Your underlying sentence is 4 years prison. I'm going to give you a choice. You can either be continued on probation. You're going to remain in custody for a drug court evaluation. Drug court is very quick. Your evaluation will probably take place this week. If they have room for you, they'll probably place you in their program. If they don't have room for you, they're not going to place you in the program. Or you're going to go to ISF, or if you want, I can revoke you, give you 3 years. You do your 3 years, you'll be done. You'll probably be out before the 3 years are up. That's the one thing that you can listen. I used to always tell my clients, please do not listen to inmates at the jail because they're not attorneys. But one thing inmates at the jail can tell you that is true. They can tell you when they're catching chain to go to prison or wherever they're going. And they can tell you how much time people are actually doing at the prison. Those are two things you can trust that inmates tell you. Everything else, I went to the law library and this is what I did. No, but those two things normally were true. So which would you prefer? I can continue you. You're going to go to custody. You're going to remain in custody till you're reviewed for felony drug court. Felony drug court will probably see you this week, make a decision on you this week. If they decide they don't have room, or if that you're not a good candidate for that, then you go into ISF, or you can go to prison for 3 years. Which would you prefer?
Drug court.
All right. This is what I'll do. Then I'll deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include a referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then ISF cognitive. And did you do the 90 sober meetings? So what have you done on probation?
Worried about my mother.
No. So that means you've done nothing on probation, right?
Ma'am.
And let me just tell you, you say you're worried about your mom,
Yes, ma'am.
but not doing your probation is making her worry. Now she's worried probably about whether her son is going to prison. You understand? So it's going to be ISF cognitive if not accepted into felony drug court. And this is to take place in custody. Is there anything else that you need from this court to be successful in this probation?
That's it.
Is there anything that you do not understand?
Understand everything, man.
All right, and probation, did you all have a chance to do the gang evaluation?
No, Your Honor.
All
You
right,
never went to my house, man. Like you remember you had put.
Hmm?
You had said that the gang evaluation, they never went to the house too.
We need a good address.
all right, so
What's the
they need an address.
221.
No, well, she'll be able to get it from you, but here's the thing. You are on probation, you gotta be proactive. Right? It's the same thing when you're trying to get a job, when people sit around and saying, what I put in my application, I'm waiting for them to call me. You need to pick up the phone and call somebody. And all you had to do, if probation wasn't contacting you, was walk into this courtroom and say, hey, I've been trying to get in touch with probation. There's a probation officer right there. And you know what I would have done? I would have said, let's pick up the phone and call that probation officer. Problem solved. But instead, what did you do? You didn't report for 2 months. Basically, you haven't reported since May of 2023, and here we are in 2024. You're gonna have to do better. You're looking at 4 years in prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Anything else you need from the court?
Thank you.
So wait a minute, I want this on the record. If there's an issue with probation and you feel like they're not addressing it, you can come to the court. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
I'm glad. It would have been fun, but.
Are you all ready to, oh, and I'm sorry, you're on this side.
Oh,
It's for security reasons.
I changed it. Oh, no worries.
So are you all ready to proceed on this?
We are sure.
All right, I don't have a trial court certification.
Oh, wait, no. I'm sorry. When you asked if we're not pleading true. We need to get a contested setting date. I'm sorry.
Okay.
There's the new number one alleged is out of county, it's from Maverick County, so if you would give us as much time as you're comfortable giving us, I need to contact Maverick County and see if we're gonna be able to get witnesses here for that, and also discovery to provide to the defense.
All right, and number 6 is departing Bear County.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, that shouldn't take that long. Whether somebody departed Bear County, it's sort of like not reporting.
I mean, they would still have to prove that he left the county without the permission of the court, and I'll leave it up to them as to how they're going to prove that. But the bigger matter is the new number one that I have no information on whatsoever. And unless they're prepared to waive it today, I mean, I need to get discovery and some time to prepare for that.
Okay.
So.
All right. Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
I need a contested hearing on this case. And it needs to be in the first week in February.
I can do.
So we have February 1st available. That's the first week in February. All right.
I can do February 8th.
All right, February 8th.
Okay, I'm not out of county, so.
All right, your contested hearing is going to be on February 8th. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
I will know for February 8th. He's gonna call me and let me know. Maverick's gonna say, we're not gonna come down. Jesus Hernandez?
Norman, can you give him a reset form just in case he is released?
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Jesus Hernandez.
okay. All right, thank you.
Yeah. let me
We'll
know.
see if Odyssey actually works.
Cut him loose. Yeah, so Maverick will get him, or at least pick him up.
Maybe somebody wants to come check out the room.
I don't think, I'm gonna have faith in the Odyssey system, even though I should not. All right, Norman, he needs a reset form.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
He lost the ship.
I know.
I know how happy you are. It's okay.
No,
can let
I'm
it out.
not.
You
Let
can
me
let
just tell you, I am not happy, but this is where my disappointment is. You have divisions that have their championship bowl game for their division, right?
Yeah.
To me, Georgia should have been in the playoffs. The fact that they lost to Alabama, that should not have excluded them from the playoff picture.
The great debate continues. I don't disagree.
No.
I really don't. And Florida State, who complained the most, I mean, lost by 7
Well,
points.
They lost by
Lost, their
16.
quarterback decided not to play.
But here's the thing, my understanding with Florida State, they had maybe 12 to 14 players who said, we're not playing.
Yes.
So, I mean, what can you do? Then you're probably suiting up a Pop Warner team.
It appeared that way. It really did. That
But
was
and on a lighter note, LSU won, and we still
a
have,
great game. I watched that game.
let me just tell you, our defense,
I thought y'all would handle Wisconsin much better than we did.
our defense. And talk to Brian Kelly about that.
They didn't have their quarterback either, too.
No,
Y'all
that-
didn't.
But that doesn't matter. You cannot depend on your offense scoring on every possession. That's asking a lot. That's how you get turnovers.
Still a good game, though. It was very good.
But I'm going to look and do some research. I don't think our defense has been, the way it's been for a while.
Shore it up.
Yeah.
We need to get some defensive players in there.
I mean, here's the thing. We have the defensive players. When you have people coming to your school that are number 1, number 2 in the nation, and you do nothing with that. And then when draft time comes for, the football league, what ends up happening? LSU always has people going first round, and they do great. And you're like, okay, what happened?
College football is changing dramatically
Mhm.
for a number of reasons. I mean, I don't know what it's headed in a good direction or not. I really don't. I mean, and this year's bowl season
Mhm.
is a strong indication of. I don't know.
Well, we're picking up players.
But for both of us, there's always next year.
There is talk to Cornelius.
There's,
They didn't make a bowl game.
do all the time. Sadly.
But next year will be great. We shall see.
SEC.
Judge, may I?
Yes.
How are you this morning?
All right. How's everything going? I like the haircut.
Thanks, it's a journey.
Oh, hey, but you know what? As long as you're embracing it and you own it,
I don't think
then
I
it's great. Just embrace it.
Well, I had extensions for 10 years.
Oh,
And I
wow.
took them out. I didn't even know I had curly hair. I thought I had frizzy hair.
Oh, my gosh.
Like just, which it's still a little frizzy, but yeah, so we'll see. I'm here on a Preston Cam Lee
Mhm.
and he's present.
All right. You'll need to ask that the file be pulled.
Oh, okay.
All right, who's the prosecutor?
I was talking to Jason about it.
Okay. All right, so where are we on this case?
So, and Jason, hopefully I'm concise, but essentially there is a DWI associated with this case. However, it is still a red file in the misdemeanor court. They have reset it for February 27th. So I'm asking that this case also be set for February 27th because how we resolve the DWI is gonna affect how we resolve this case. Is that a fair?
It's a fair assessment.
All right, so I will normally put this on February 27th. If the DWI case is not taken care of by February 27th, then we're going to be doing something with this case.
Be fine, Judge.
Yeah, well.
And do y'all have all the discovery?
Technically, no, because of the red file, we are waiting for blood results tied to the DWI, which of course is out of the same interaction.
Technically, yes, on this case.
Okay.
No on the misdemeanor.
Okay,
Oh.
all right, we'll see y'all back on
Okay.
February 27th,
Thank
and you need to make sure that you're on time, you understand? All right, thank you.
May we be excused?
Yes, once you sign the reset. All right. Are y'all ready to proceed?
Defense is ready, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, court is calling 2022 CR 3597. I'm sorry, y'all need to be silent in the box wearing the record. Ms. Kramer? That's okay. You can ask them to move your client down to the other end. Court is calling 2022 CR 3597, State of Texas versus Chardonnay Lockhart. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Again, U.S. Bar for the State of Texas.
Defense?
Mark Darling for the defendant.
And are you Ms. Lockhart?
Yes, ma'am.
Going to show you a document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Are you the same Chardonnay Lockhart who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 3597 for the offense of attempted arson, reckless causing damage on May 15, 2023 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violating condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Chardonnay Lockhart, then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of August and September 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, the state waives all the violations.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine? Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is for 272 days in the Bear County Jail and for this to satisfy the judgment, since it's a Class A misdemeanor.
All right, has she done anything on probation?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then why would, well, all right, so you've done nothing on probation. Probation, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, after she was here last in court, she just did not show up anymore. So we understand that there may have been, or maybe some issues as far as maybe possibly homelessness and so forth. And we were going to ask just to amend for a moral recognition therapy, job skills training, and possibly the reentry center for services.
All right, and will this be set up while she's in custody if I follow this?
We can't set up those things in custody, Judge.
All right. All right,
At the time, Judge, just to also, I know you have your docket sheet. She was evaluated for DDRF. However, we could not do DDRF because at the time she was pregnant. Don't know what the status is of that is at this particular moment, but we just don't have enough to go off of to give any other recommendation, Judge.
all right, Ms. Lockhart, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Chardonnay Lockhart.
All right,
Chardonnay Lockhart.
all right. Ms. Lockhart, what's the status of the pregnancy?
I'm not pregnant any further.
Okay,
Judge,
I mean, how do you mean?
okay. All right, so here's my issue. I don't know if anybody wants to ask any more questions, but I'm not going to give her 272 days in the Bear County Jail. If she wants to be revoked, she can be revoked. I'll give her 365 days at the Bear County Jail, or she can, or I will follow the probation's recommendation.
you understand? Do you agree? Judge, it's Ms. Lockhart's wish that you do send her to 365 days in the Bear County Jail after revocation versus the alternative, she doesn't wish to make
Right,
those
it'll be a
efforts.
$4,000 fine, and time and money is not going to run concurrent. Because let me just tell you, Mr. Lockhart, here's what the problem is. The problem is that you're on deferred for an attempted arson. You're homeless. You have no job. You've been staying from hotel to hotel. you're gonna end up potentially, if I just send you out in the world, you're gonna end up getting another theft case or something else is gonna end up going wrong with your life if you don't get stable. The only thing that I can do other than continue on probation is maxing you out. And the reason why I would max you out is because you have done nothing. And the reason why I will not run time and money concurrent is because you have done nothing. So the choice is yours.
I pay them.
Well, then you can choose the maximum sentence of 365. Tell the judge.
It's like you stated the first. So it's exactly the
No.
same choice.
Yeah, I'll tell the judge.
Yes, what would you like to do?
Okay, I would like to do the 365 and pay the $4,000 fine.
All right. Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yeah,
You want to talk to her about that?
Well, I did, and I filed the trial court certification along with the explanation before she signed it. So as I told you, you're not going to be able to appeal your decision to enter a plea of truth. So you effectively waived it by tendering that document. to
Well,
the
Ms.
court.
Ms.
You're not gonna
Lockhart,
have right to appeal.
if you want the court to sentence you to the 365 days with a $4,000 fine, time and money not run concurrent, are you waiving your right to appeal?
yes,
I'm sorry?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Court will grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 365 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's a $4,000 fine. Time and money is not to run concurrent. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I did understand.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, why are you all asking for time?
Your Honor, my client was held in Guadalupe County on a warrant for approximately 90 days and this happens, no big deal, but the paper is not here. And so I just wanted some time to try to run it down over there so we could show his extra time because he'll be doing time.
All right, then you all want to just pick up the phone and call them? You're
I
an
have
officer. of
tried
the
that
court.
and I have not been successful.
Does anybody want to call the public defender's office over there and ask them to look up how much time he has, or call which jail was he at?
Guadalupe County?
Anybody want to call Guadalupe County Jail and ask them?
Guadalupe County. I know she's a prosecutor. Alex Cepeda works over as a prosecutor.
All right. Could you call them, ask them how much time he has?
What's his information?
All right.
I just need to sit and all that.
Oh, okay. Well, it's a different number, but Christian Cordero.
We're stepping into the new year solving problems.
That's it.
You're right. So just give us a moment.
What's your name? Okay.
All right, Joe Hernandez. All right. Ms. Kramer, I'm glad you're feeling better.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, who's the prosecutor on Joe Hernandez?
Jason.
All right. Where are we on discovery?
The state is still reaching out, trying to get some surveillance video from the hotel. And there are some witnesses and or complainants that the state still has not been able to contact.
All right, state, how much time do you think you need?
Judge, the actual videos are not in possession of BCSO or
Okay.
the state, so that may not be an issue, other than us just trying to obtain them. And to contact the victim, Judge, just a regular reset of a couple of weeks should be sufficient.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can you recall this for 30 days? If you all want to come back sooner than that, just let Ms. Ferguson know.
If I see that the hotel surveillance should be a game changer one way or the other, so if I see it uploaded, I'll talk to Jason.
All right.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Maybe
What date?
excuse- I know I need to get the reset.
All right, February 6th. Court is calling 2021 CR 7771, State of Texas versus Christian D. Cordero. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
For the state.
Defense?
Travis Kettner, Your Honor, for Christian Cordero. We're ready.
Are you Christian Daniel Cordero?
Yes, Your Honor.
Going to show you what's entitled. Just one moment. All right, in the box, if y'all could please whisper because you're talking behind the court reporter. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. And also First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? You're gonna need to speak up.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you all need to whisper in the box. All right. Are you the same Christian Daniel Cordero who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 7771 for the offense of burglary habitation force on October 8, 2021 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state. And also in this case, I don't have a trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal.
I apologize.
That's okay.
I'll take it.
Judge, this is on the first amended motion. On or about the 20th day of November, 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Christian Daniel Cordero committed the offense of unlawful carry of a weapon in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Violating condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Christian Daniel Cordero is then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Violating condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Christian Daniel Cordero did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Your Honor, we waive the other violations alleged in the motions.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1, 4, and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of conditions 1, 4, and 4?
Yes.
Court will find violation of conditions 1, 4, and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We're asking that you adjudicate the defendant guilty, grant the motion to adjudicate the defendant guilty and sentence the defendant to 5 years in the prison. The state will take into consideration the new number 1s, which are the UCW handgun is CC 721928, and the drug charges are case number 739382, 739383, and 739384.
All right, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor. I just want to come back to the 80 days that we've talked about my client receiving credit that he was held on a warrant on this case in the Guadalupe County Jail while he had a case pending over there. In addition to it's approximately 130 days.
All right, are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right, you need to do a trial court certification, counsel. Mr. Cordero, obviously you have some issues. If you would like, I can request a therapeutic community for you. Whether or not you are placed in the therapeutic community is completely up to the prison. I have no control over it. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. It's to address any drug issues that you may or may not have. And also it can help you with any type of mental health issues that you may or may not have. Do you understand?
Yes.
Would you like that or no? It doesn't increase the length of time that you're at the jail or at the prison.
No.
All right. How old are you?
21.
All right. So you're 21. You're starting off your life in a bad way. You are on deferred adjudication. All you had to do was complete this successfully and you could be free in the world, but you chose prison. You understand?
Yes.
All right. The court is finding 1, 4, and 4 true. Going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. Take in consideration county court cause number 721928, night mag number 739382, Just one second. 739-383, 739-384. And there was one other,
Yes, sir. 739-382.
739-382. And I'll give you credit for time served that you served in Guadalupe County of 80 days.
Thank you.
And there's to be no contact with Jose Garcia, Johnny Alonzo, and Joshua Reyes. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. I don't know what's happening with young people these days, but I would always tell people, life is simple, people make it hard. People don't believe me when I say this, but my mom would tell you, I never gave her any trouble. My mom set ground rules and says, this is your curfew. My curfew, if it was at 9 o'clock, I would be at home by 8:30 because things can happen. People would say, Stephanie, why are you not challenging her curfew? And you know what I would tell them? My mom, I think she loves me. So obviously she's setting this curfew for a reason. Whether I think it's arbitrary or not, doesn't matter. These are the rules. And guess what? I would be home at 8:30. Everything would be fine. Now, my brothers, sometimes they would come in past the curfew and they would get punished. And I'm like, all you had to do was come in by curfew time. You wouldn't even receive any punishment. So for you, you're going to have to change your ways. Otherwise, what's going to end up happening, you're going to find yourself in and out of prison, in and out of jail in different counties. You need to make sure you get your GED at the prison. You can get your GED for free. You can even get a college degree for free. I had to pay back loans for my education, but you'll be able to do it for free. Taxpayers, somebody's paying for it. You understand?
Yes. Yes.
If you don't change your life, it's not going to go well for you. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. And I'm sorry, and counsel, the clerks already know to put the 80 days in, but if you want to recheck, you're more than welcome to do so.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. All right. Where are we on this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, and I'm sorry, defense, you're on this side.
Rusty, all right.
Things have changed in the new year.
Okay, so defense is on the side.
Yes.
Good. Yes, Judge, we're here in Mr. Hawkins' matter. He's currently, this is the individual I brought to the court's attention. He was in
Yes.
Laurel Ridge. He recently got out and he's starting VA intensive outpatient this upcoming Thursday. I've been speaking with the states and they're realizing that the treatment would be good for him, that if he kind of does the treatment, follows the program, they may be entertaining a possible PTD offer to mirror some of the treatment that he's going to be getting with the VA judge. So we're just requesting just a short reset so that the state can reach out to the complaining witness, the officer in this case, and make sure that, you know, he's okay with it, and to also see his progress about getting counseling. He's going to be doing 3 times a week, 3 hours group. And then after that, he's going to be doing 9 weeks of individualized sessions with the VA. So I spoke to his case manager and verified all that, and he'll be started up this Thursday with that counseling.
All right. So is there going to be any motions filed for competency or sanity or anything of that nature?
I would like to get a second opinion
A second opinion for what?
for mental ability.
Well, Judge, she's going to be seeing a psychiatrist this Thursday.
I don't believe
with
I
the
should
VA.
have had been forced to take that medication.
Okay. All right. Now see where we are. So here's the thing. I'm not a medical doctor, and you need to talk to your medical doctor about medication if you have any concerns over it. I sometimes would have.
I don't understand how the officer was allowed to put me in handcuffs and place me in back of a police car for not taking medication.
She can't get into
Okay.
that because it's the facts of the case, so we can't talk about that.
So your attorney is right. With regards to the facts of your case, that's something that will be brought out to the court if there's a jury trial or if there's a specific motion for the court to hear. You understand?
Yes.
All right. So is there going to be any competency evaluation file, or are we going the route of Veterans Treatment Court or the route of PTD?
I believe at this point, Judge, she's gonna see the psychiatrist, the doctor at the VA on Thursday. So depending on what he states, I may follow the competency issue or insanity issue, but I did get notice that he's gonna be meeting with the doctor this Thursday.
Okay.
So I think we'll be able to know more or less what those doctor's findings were and where we're at.
All right, so that's happening this Thursday?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can you put this the last week in January?
Your Honor, is
Yes.
it possible to have a doctor evaluate me that's board licensed by any state other than Texas?
You'll have to speak to your attorney. So I'm not in charge of giving a doctor to you. That's something your attorney will have to request. Do you understand?
Okay.
All right. So which date?
The 29th, Judge.
All right, so we're going to be coming back on January 29th.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Hawkins, I appreciate you asking these questions. I always want people to appear before me. If you have a question about something,
Yes.
just ask it. If it's something that I can't answer for you, I'll let you know, all right?
Yeah, it's just I've been lied to a lot of times to Texas police officers.
Mhm.
And I just would like my time in court.
All right, so what will end up happening is your attorney, the complainant in this case, your attorney will be able to speak with them, and the state's attorney will be able to speak to them as well. And we'll go from there. But in this court, there's a process to everything. So I want to make sure that you're ready to proceed before we start with witnesses and that type of thing, okay? All right, so we'll come back on January 29th. Is there anything else?
Nothing further from defense, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How's it going?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
It was a kind of a tiring trip with those teenagers.
But I'm sure it was fun.
It was a lot of fun.
It's always not, I tell you, when you see the season through a child's eyes, it's so much different. It makes you excited about it again.
We could have used a little more snow, but you know, the place we went to where they could ski
Mhm.
was, they make their own snow.
Oh,
They-
wow.
They have some kind of a machine that, you know, throw
Well,
stuff.
I was still the same as I've been every year since I was born. I could not stay awake for Santa. By the time they woke me up, Santa was gone.
Oh, these guys would stay up watching TV till 1 or 2 in the morning. We'd be passed out.
Yeah. All right, court is calling 2023 CR 1266, State of Texas versus Mark A. Ramirez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Gearhead, Your Honor.
Defense?
For Mr. Ramirez.
Are you Mr. Ramirez?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Mark A. Ramirez who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 1266 for the offense of unlawful possession of firearm by felon on February 27, 2023 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violating condition number 1 on or about the 17th.
Just 1 second. I do not have,
Motion for supplement.
let me see if I can find the supplement. I don't have that. Just 1 second.
It was signed on the 14th of December. Judge.
Ah, all right. Thank you. Michelle, you're on it. I appreciate that. And also, Mr. Ramirez, I'm showing you what's entitled State Motion to Supplement Pending Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney as well and understand it?
Yes, Judge.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violating condition number 1 on or about the 17th day of November 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Mark A. Ramirez, committed the offense of possession of controlled substance when they group 1 or 200 grams in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections?
No, no.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 5 years in the prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and that is to take in consideration the new cause number of 73884, which is a night mag, possession of the case that he pled true to, and to reform the underlying sentence and revocation of 3 years.
Is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Ramirez, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Judge.
All right. And did y'all previously confer with probation?
Did not.
Well, I did.
All right, thank you.
Briefly,
I mean, it's a new year. We still can't forget about
I
probation.
did, Your Honor.
But Sean, I'm gonna make them not forget about you. Probation is, are you all requesting revocation?
Your Honor, Ms. Ramirez, yes, to be short, yes.
Okay. All right, then what the court will do, the court will grant the motion. Court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money is to run concurrent. Court will take in consideration NYMAC number 738844. If you would like, I could refer you to the therapeutic community. I can't force them to place you in the therapeutic community. You would still have to ask for it. So would you like that?
Yes, Judge.
All right, and I'll order the therapeutic community. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Judge.
Did you pass that over? Oh, thank you. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
50.
All right, you're 50. You're younger than I am, but as I tell everybody, I'm in the twilight of my life. I only have so many more years left on the planet unless I'm planning to live to 200 or something of that nature. And if I do, that means that I'm going to have to work.
ma'am.
All right. So you need to make a decision in your life what you want to do. Even though you're going to prison, and I always tell people, anytime you spend in custody, that's a rough time
Yes, ma'am.
because you're not free. You can't get up when you want to, can't even take a bath, right? You have to take a shower.
Sure, right.
So you need to decide how you want to spend your remaining time on the planet. If you have a drug or alcohol problem, there are free places to go when you get out of prison. So when you get out of prison, don't do the hooray and go back to the way life was before, because you're going to end up right back here.
Yes, ma'am.
And when you go to prison, don't become institutionalized. Take advantage of all the free opportunities they give you. You get free you get free medical treatment. Maybe not the best or the Cadillac of medical treatments, but it's still free. You can get your education while you're there for free. Pick up a trade while you're there for free so you can come out and do something with your life. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Happy belated birthday, Judge.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
You're
Have a
gonna be
good one.
excused.
Yes.